Hello, good morning. Happy Friday. So, kumusta naman ang buong linggo natin dyan? Okay ba? Okay ba? Or okay na lang? Okay, so ang thought natin for today is syempre Friday na. So, siguro yung iba sa inyo is nagla-relax na lang, relax kaya mag-weekend naman. But syempre may Friday pa, 'di ba? So hustle pa rin tayo kasi a lot of blessings coming in pa, 'di ba? If we keep on going and working into something, I'm sure mari-reward din naman tayo sa lahat ng effort natin. And syempre it's time to thank you then for the Lord's guidance for the whole week, 'di ba? Na napagtagumpayan natin and we have the weekend to take a rest. Ayan. So, yeah. Good luck for today and ayun lang. Happy Friday ulit. God bless sa iyo.